Fighter jet history. Fighter jets have become an iconic symbol of modern warfare, dominating the skies and allowing nations to defend their airspace with speed and agility. In this video, we'll take a brief look at the history of fighter jets, from their origins to the present day. The first fighter planes were developed during World War I, primarily as a means of intercepting and shooting down enemy reconnaissance aircraft. These early fighters were typically small, agile biplanes armed with machine guns and capable of speeds of around 100 miles per hour. During World War II, fighter planes became faster, more heavily armed, and more advanced in their technology. The Messerschmitt Bf 109 and the Spitfire became legendary planes that symbolized the aerial battles of the war. After World War II, the introduction of the jet engine revolutionized fighter design. The North American F-86 Sabre and the Soviet MiG-15 were among the first successful jet-powered fighters, and they quickly became dominant in the skies. During the Cold War, fighter development focused heavily on increasing speed, range, and maneuverability. The US F-4 Phantom and the Soviet MiG-21 were iconic planes that symbolized the era. In the decades since the Cold War, fighter jet design has continued to evolve, with an increased focus on stealth technology, precision weaponry, and advanced avionics systems. The F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II are two examples of advanced modern fighter jets that embody these developments. From humble biplanes armed with machine guns to advanced stealth fighters with precision weapons, the evolution of fighter jets has been a story of constant innovation and development. Today, fighter jets continue to play a critical role in defending nations and projecting power across the globe.